We want to be the very best campground, not only in the area and the region, but in the country.
The storm changed it all, and that year was tough. But at that same time, the food service got revamped, and the Sandy Mart area and the grocery store.
The family decided, you know, we really do need a focus and a master plan. Instead of just willy-nilly adding on, let's have kind of an architectural theme. What's our focus going to be? What's our identity?
All of those plans started coming together, and it wasn't long after Hugo that the whole facelift of Ocean Lakes took place.
In 1996, we started the project to develop the overall facilities master plan, knowing that it would take a long, long time to ever complete it, and it would be ever evolving.
We started thinking about what we thought the front of the campground could look like. From the moment you drove into the front of the campground, into what we call the Camptown Center, to the recreational core facilities, to the restroom facilities, to the nature center.
And we stuck up ideas all over the wall.
The color, the theming, the shape, the image, all consistently carried through as a brand.
We're in this business for a long, long time. When you look around at all the facilities and amenities and improvements and just regular maintenance and repairs, we want to reinvest in the business so their experience will continue to improve and the excitement just grows year after year.
Our birthday is a wonderful event. It's a milestone that many companies never reach.
When I started in the late 90s, by that point, Ocean Lakes had grown tremendously.
We started with changing the entrance. We did the oceanfront deck. We did the arcade building and indoor pool.
It was a time of growth. The campground was really successful.
Our stated goal from the very beginning was that we wanted to be the very best. We said we want to be the very best campground, not only in the area and the region, but in the country. The awards became a byproduct of us doing that.
Ocean Lakes Family Camp.
The very first time that we won the RV Park of the Year, there were people locally that said it's impossible to do that, and we proved them wrong.
We like recognition. It's a good thing, let's face it, it's marketing, it's PR, it's team morale. When you've had a long day cleaning bathhouses, or picking up garbage, or working the main gate, or driving storage trucks, or working on an RV, it means a lot to know that somebody noticed.